In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a stunning flyer on Canva. Whether you're promoting an event, advertising a product, or just showcasing something creative, a well-designed flyer can make all the difference. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Canva in your browser. At the top of the homepage, go to the search bar, type in flyer, and hit enter. Canva will instantly bring up a wide variety of templates designed specifically for flyers. Take a little time to scroll through the options. Look for one that matches the theme or vibe you're aiming for. Pay attention to colors, fonts, and overall layout. When you find one you like, click on it and then choose Customize this template. This will open the flyer inside Canva's editor. From here, it's time to make it your own. Start by editing the text. Click inside any text box and type in your details, whether it's event information, product highlights, or a short, catchy message. Keep your wording clear, concise, and easy to read. Next, adjust the visuals. You can replace images from the template with your own uploads or choose from Canva's built-in photo and illustration library. Make sure your visuals support the message without overwhelming it. Balance is key. Once your content is in place, do a quick review. Check for typos, make sure everything is aligned, and confirm that the color scheme feels cohesive while still grabbing attention. When you're satisfied, it's time to save your work. Go to the top right corner, click download, and select the file format you prefer, PDF for printing, or PNG and JPG for digital sharing. And that's it. You've just created a professional flyer in Canva. With the right combination of text, visuals, and layout, you can design something eye-catching that gets your message across effectively. Thanks for watching and happy designing.